Found a ZEW file from a label printing project and not sure what created it? This is a label design file from Zebra's professional labeling software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening and printing these Zebra Designer label files. We're going to solve this ZEW issue. But first, a general piece of advice. A good universal viewer is a system essential. It provides quick recovery access. My suggestion is found below, and we will revisit later on. ZEW files are label design files created by Zebra Designer software for designing barcode and shipping labels. They contain label layouts, text fields, barcode definitions, graphics, database connections, and printer settings, used to produce labels on Zebra thermal printers in retail manufacturing and logistics environments. ZEW files use a proprietary binary format, storing label dimensions, object positions, text formatting, barcode parameters, and database field mappings. The format includes printer-specific commands, ZPL templates, variable data sources, and print quantity settings supporting Zebra's complete line of thermal label and receipt printers. For viewing and interaction, ZEW is most commonly opened via Zebra Designer from Zebra Technologies. The archive's size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows may show the text, but handling advanced elements requires compatible document programs. Your reliable first move is the Open With command. Right-click the ZEW file and select Open With. If Zebra Designer is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. If you cannot access the ZEW file, no problem. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent ZEW problem. First, opening in Zebra Designer. Download Zebra Designer Essentials free from zebra.com and install it on your Windows PC. Launch Zebra Designer and use File then Open to load the ZEW file. The label design appears in the editor canvas where you can modify text barcodes, graphics, and printer settings before sending to print. Next, printing labels. Connect a compatible Zebra printer via USB network or Bluetooth and install the printer driver. In Zebra Designer with the ZEW file open, select your printer from the Print dialog, set quantity, and click Print. Verify label stock dimensions match the design to prevent misalignment or wasted label media. Finally, converting to other formats. Export the ZEW file from Zebra Designer to ZPL format for direct printer commands or to PDF for sharing the design. Use File then Export and choose your target format. ZPL files can be sent directly to Zebra printers via network commands, while PDFs allow review on systems without Zebra Designer installed. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.